Hello and welcome to PassFab channel. If you have forgotten your Windows login password and have been locked out of your computer, it can be a very frustrating experience. In this video, I'm going to show you two reliable ways to regain access without losing any of your data or personal settings. The first method is to use a password reset disk, which is a built-in self-service tool that acts as a master key if you created one earlier on that specific PC. To use it, boot to the lock screen, enter any incorrect password, and click on the Reset Password option that appears. After plugging in your USB reset disk, follow the password recovery wizard to enter a new password, confirm it, and add a hint to finish the setup. Once the process is complete, you can log in immediately with the new password you just created. If you never made a reset disk before getting locked out, the second and more straightforward method is to use a professional Windows unlock tool called PassFab for Winkey. This software makes the process very easy by allowing you to create a new bootable disk on a separate working computer. Simply download the tool on the working PC, insert a blank USB flash drive, and click Start Burning to create the bootable media in just a few seconds. Next, return to the locked PC, insert the USB drive, and restart the system while tapping the appropriate boot key, such as F12, F10, or Escape, to enter the startup menu and select the USB drive as the boot device. Once the PassFab interface loads, select your Windows operating system and the specific user account you wish to unlock. You can then choose to either reset account password to set a new one, or remove account password to bypass the login requirement entirely. After the software finishes, click to reboot your computer, and you will be able to log back into your account successfully. If this tutorial helped you get back into your PC, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward tech tips and solutions. Thanks for watching.